Is f of x continuous at x equals 2? Now often this is as easy as plugging in 2 to both of these functions and then making sure they equal the same value. Because if they do equal the same value, it's continuous, no questions. The problem is when you plug in 2 to here, you get 0 on the bottom. Which is why I want to show you that you can factor the top and bottom here. When you factor the top, you end up with this. When you factor the bottom, you end up with that. The x minus 2's cancel out. Now normally you would add a restriction to the domain that x is not allowed to be to 2, but this function here didn't even apply at x equals 2, so we can ignore that as well. We might as well have replaced this function here with this function here. It gives the exact same values and the same, parity, positive, negative stuff. It's just easier to look at, and we're actually allowed to plug in 2. So, is f of x continuous at this point? Well, let's find out. We're going to plug 2 into this function. 2 plus 1 over 2 squared plus 2 gives 3 over 6. And we're going to plug 2 into this function. 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 2, which ends up being 3 over 4. They are not the same, and so this is not continuous. You'll have to show it a little more mathematically rigorously on the test. In fact, maybe I'll post a video where I do it more rigorously. But right now you need answers. And the answer is it's not continuous because when you plug in 2, it's not the same number. Best of luck.